Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. Clarence the Grinch doesn't like our decorations. Let's get into it.
So the checker print is ugly, is what you saying? You asked for black and white, we're getting black and white. No.
Can I do something?
Yeah, you can. Stick to Twitch.
This is what my perfect push-ups is at.
Here you go, doing push-ups over the spider.
Oh shit.
Hey.
What's up, gang? Good morning.
Good morning, gorgeous.
Extremely early.
Nice.
No, it's not. It's 9.
We are about to start our day. We're gonna put the Christmas tree up today. I told y'all in the last vlog that we were gonna do it. We wanna do it to where the kids are surprised when they come home. So CJ's at school right now. Legend, we're about to go wake him up and take him to school. And then we're gonna go shopping because our house is empty. We don't have nothing in our fridge. And I did that on purpose so that we could, you know, go shopping and actually have something to shop for.
Yeah.
So,
usually just buy stuff on top of shit that we already have.
Yeah, I was literally waiting for the freezer and fridge to
empty out. I think after that, then we'll put up the Christmas tree and stuff.
Do my rest thing, babe?
No.
Okay.
But yeah, then after we get all that done, we're gonna come home, put up the Christmas tree.
We already said that.
I'm starving. We gotta go get some food. Come on, let's just drop him off. Look, he's already covering himself.
Hi, Dada.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Legend is smart. He got 2 layers of protection from the sun.
Dada. Come on, Dada.
Poor Legend. He's like, I'm not having it. I'm still sleepy. Leave me alone.
We gotta wake up and leave.
Yeah, I'm trying to get dressed. Should I go Scully? Should I go fitted hat? I'm coming. Hey, Dada. Which hat should I wear? Purple or black? Purple.
Black.
Black.
So which one you want? Purple or black, Legend?
Purple. Black.
That's what his potty do, y'all. His potty make noise like that. So we dropped Legend off to daycare, and we are at breakfast. We're at First Watch. I got some avocado toast, y'all. Clarence got, what is this? Breakfast tacos?
Breakfast tacos or something.
Clarence is taking his picture for his Costco card. He finally gets, let me see.
I didn't know who you was the other day, and then I went home and listened to your sister's message.
Oh, thank you. Yo, look at Clarence's mugshot picture.
Like a criminal.
Why'd you smile, babe?
I don't smile on pictures.
Why not?
I said it like it was a problem.
Right, what's wrong with smiling in a picture? I don't think y'all ever seen my Costco card, but this is mine. And look, y'all see how I was smiling?
Aw, she looks cute. She like a little kid.
There's nothing wrong with smiling in your card.
So we home, feel me? We about to go get this tree, but the tree is in the boiler room. There's mad spiders. The other day I walked in there, spider web went right in my face. Excuse my language.
We're about to put the tree up, y'all, before the kids get home.
She said she don't want no gloves. So
I don't need gloves. I'm a whole G out here in these streets. I'm not scared of no
I got a spider phobia, so I got an excuse.
I ain't
We know it. Spiders and all bugs in general.
never scared. I ain't never scared.
I keep the camera on, because what if the spider pops out, we're gonna see
never
who's
scared.
never scared. We're gonna see. Yeah, you trying to get yellow.
I'm not. We're walking.
Right. We is not trying to get yellow.
It's already signs of them. I'm telling you, bro, something about Georgia and spiders, bro.
Man, spiders everywhere. It's Georgia and water bugs for me. Open the door. Slowly.
Watch me. Once you walking in, spider web.
Oh my God.
Why do you sound like that?
Queen is so petty. And we love it.
Oh, it is a spider. Look.
Yo, bro,
Is that the one you killed? No. Is that the one you killed out? Look. Is that real?
He got left in there so his friends could see him.
This is a part of our house y'all never
The
seen.
thing about spider.
Have y'all ever left a bug so the rest of them can see them? I've done that. Like a mosquito. You like, look, no mosquitoes allowed.
Is you can't see them. Hold on.
Clarence, now you being dramatic.
No, I'm not. Do you like spider webs in your mouth?
No, I've eaten them before.
Huh?
It tastes good. Come on.
Oh shit! This is what my perfect push-ups is at.
Here you go, doing push-ups over the spider.
What's on me?
No.
She's so petty.
Babe, the dead spider was on me, for real.
Babe, you didn't know that when you was
No,
just doing
I forgot about it.
Clarence.
Okay, at this point, you just need to clean up the spider so you don't see it again. Wayne, can you please help him? Because we can't get the spider from here.
I would move from that corner. That's where it would be.
Hey, if we see a spider, all we gotta do is kill it. Should I go get the spray? Or should we bring this whole box upstairs or no?
Oh, no, yeah, let's keep this box down here.
Alright, so you grab that piece?
They probably are in here.
No, they're not. They're not in there.
I'm feeling some itch on me.
Claire got 9 layers of clothes and he feels something itching.
Clarence is already talking about he winded and literally we didn't do nothing, y'all. We just came upstairs. No, babe, come on.
Battle spiders, bro.
Clarence, get your feet off the couch. Your shoes. Oh my Lord. Come on, let's go.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Come on, babe. We gotta put it up so the kids can be
I'm
surprised.
sorry, Mother.
Let's go. Well, I'm out of breath.
Yeah, Claire being petty, talking about she acting like his mama. Yes, and get your butt up and start putting this tree up.
So y'all, this is where, no, we gotta do this though. So y'all, this is right here in this corner is where we're gonna put the tree. That's gonna be our little tree, what's it called? The tree underneath her, because it matches a little.
These stockings.
I picked them because they're black and white. Why?
Oh, no.
You don't like them? They just there for decoration. We don't really have to stuff them.
You bought that too?
Okay, so let me guess. You wanted to do it because you wasn't gonna do it. Were you gonna go to the store and do it? Yes or no?
Uh-oh. I should be a mama. Yes or no? She said if you didn't like it, you should have did it yourself. That's right, Queen. Tell him.
Oh, you good. Just use the black stuff.
No! No. No. No, that's dirty. Clarence, turn it back over. Come on, because I got the pillow over there on the couch to match it. Bro, off camera, Clarence just said he was gonna get better stockings, a better thing. Basically, replace everything I just got. And a better blanket. No. Yo, don't y'all think this is cute? What are you talking about? Just let it be. Let me do it. You asked for black and white, we're getting
It go with the painting on the wall, though.
black and white. No.
Can I do something?
Yeah, you can.
Yo, bro, that's what I'm saying. They never let men do nothing.
Clarence, stop, because
They never let men do nothing, bro. Bro, let me just buy. But like, I just feel like the things this look. This is what I'm saying. This is giving nice, classy, almost. You know, like giving real.
so the checker print is ugly. Is what you saying?
The checker print is giving like we're about to go hunt and bring back a deer.
Y'all think something is wrong with?
He go to Grinch part, y'all. Okay, so he wanted an elegant Christmas, and she like, you know, she got a theme. She got her black and white theme. Leave her alone. Now, personally, I don't like it either. It's not enough color for Christmas, I think, you know. So Christmas is supposed to be like festive, kind of towards what he's saying, right? But I see that she have a theme and that she has gone far with her theme. And I think there's a way to still use both themes. So hopefully they can find a middle ground.
The black and white. You let me know. What y'all think?
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know.
Maybe I'm bugging.
Maybe he is bugging. Maybe you need to stick to like
Maybe just stick to, you know.
stick to Twitch. Maybe you bugging. Ain't nothing wrong with this, man. Let it be. Y'all, is it ugly? And be honest. If it is, then let me know and keep it real with me. If it's not, then this is cute. This is cute.
We're gonna see when the
tree's up. Come on, let's hurry up.
Give me goosebumps. I might have a phobia.
Yeah, this looks too big. Hold on. Here, put that in. Put that in. Fire the hole. Now we gotta connect them. I'm connected. I don't know. Ooh. All right, y'all. All done. Oh, babe, you know what we did wrong? It's supposed to go on top of the thing. Oh man. We always do something wrong, man. We put the thing on top.
Bro, why is the this thing just laying on there? We're supposed to put this over the thing.
Dang, so what do we do now? Lift the tree up?
I'm gonna lift it up.
All right. You think you'll lift the whole thing up?
Oh, you gotta do it, and then we can put it on. Pick it.
1, 2, 3.
Pick it.
Pick it. What? All right. Yeah. Dang, it's like he was going in labor. There we go. Give me up. All right, now we're about to apply the balls.
Crazy.
I'm gonna put these balls on the tree. Come on, you know you like these balls. Black balls and white balls. You wanna have a race?
Race of what?
Who could put the most?
Where's my camera?
No, don't steal our footage.
No, I am.
Don't steal our footage. Who do you think you are?
Say what up. Vlog. Say what up to Queen and Clarence, and y'all say what up to Clarence NYC. I'm gonna set up my camera.
Hey, Clarence NYC.
Set her camera, and we're gonna.
You can't take footage, babe. No.
You see that was a test right there.
Yeah, no, you can't do your own footage. Hi, Papa. It's a huge Christmas tree. Do you like
I think Legend likes it.
it? Yeah, we're not done yet. We're currently putting ribbon or trying to do what we can do. I'm still
That looks nice.
working on it. I suck at this. How it look, Momo?
It was good. I love it.
You do?
I mean,
I think you already. I'm trying to put ribbon on and make it look like something, but I really don't know how. I'm just cutting short pieces and looping them. Okay, let me ask you something. Are these and that ugly?
no.
See, Clarence?
What?
She said it's not ugly. She said I'm gonna get a better one. I'm like, stop being a Grinch. Y'all, this is where we've gotten so far. What I'm gonna go do is buy some bigger balls. Pause.
Bigger balls?
Yeah. What do you think about the Christmas tree, CJ?
Am I gonna help?
You wanna help? Do you like it though?
Yeah, I think CJ is gonna be able to help. You know, you need a kid's perspective.
Wait. Do you like it? CJ, that's not what you put on a Christmas tree. Wear your white shoes.
In my backpack?
Did you get them dirty?
Nuh-uh.
Let me see him. He begged me to wear white shoes to school today. His brand new Jordans, and I'm gonna see what happened. Okay. You kept them clean for the most part. Let's see. You did. You didn't do bad. What you think? It's just a front that's a little scuffed. What'd you think?
Gotta clean them a little bit.
CJ, guess what I got you?
What? Lasagna?
No.
Ice cream?
No.
Cookies and cream?
No.
Is that a crab?
Yeah. CJ always asking for crab legs.
I'm hungry.
Show them what you got, CJ.
I just got a crab and I pulled it and it was like this.
Look at that, y'all. He did it all himself. You don't want to dip it in the butter?
I like butter.
Look what Legend did to my living room. Literally, it was just fine. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to show you guys how cozy it looks at nighttime with the tree in here. I think I definitely like it better in here than in the other room. I feel like it's more of a comfy, chill environment. I'm gonna definitely add some bigger balls on here though, y'all. And we gotta get them gifts under there. But what do you guys think? I'm gonna go to bed right now. I don't know what Clarence is doing,
I like it.
but I gotta wake the kids up for school in the morning. So good night for now. I gotta wake the kids up for school in the morning. So good night for now. Currently, Clarence is trying on his black lab coat jacket. Go put the glasses on too.
Man, why?
No, I need you to walk through.
This is a Nike jacket. This shit fire though, right? Tell me it's not.
It's fire.
It's not. I know it's fashion, but it really do look like a lab coat. That's why I can't get over it.
It's crazy. Look, I could button the vest up too.
Looks like Clarence don't need no Christmas gifts. He already bought himself everything. Look at all this stuff right here. We ain't got nothing up under the tree. He already got his stuff. Oh, y'all, it's the day after right now, and I still haven't ordered no more balls from Amazon, but I will. I'll get to it. Today, I was a little stressed out.
This shit's fire.
Go put your glasses on, too, babe. Go put your glasses on.
Got pockets in the back, too.
Dang. As I was saying, I was like, y'all, today I was a little bit stressed out. Two of my tracks came out today. What'd you say?
You think I shop too much?
I definitely do. I feel like you shop so much that you don't give me the chance to really shop for you. So at this point, y'all know Clarence's birthday is coming up. I was gonna say that before him. He just said it first, so please don't think that I'm copying him. I don't know what to do, y'all. Still don't know what to do. It's so much happening. Clarence's birthday. Y'all know every year Christmas is coming up. Legend's birthday. CJ's birthday. I don't know what to do.
Everybody's birthday.
It's all so close together. I'm still stuck. But I was stressing out today because I was doing some adulting stuff. And like, you know how like you see your parents like sort through bills and call in different companies to change payment methods and all of that stuff and talk about bills. Like I was doing that today, so I was pretty stressed out. So I'm not gonna.
Yeah, adulting is no fun for those who are not adult yet. You know, enjoy your time.
I'll focus on anything else tonight. Tonight, I'm done focusing. Tomorrow, when I wake up, I'll stress myself out again. We never got a chance to end our vlog, so. Oh, I like that. What is that, Skims? Let me see.
Wait,
Hey, what's wrong with you wearing Skims?
Because why would I be wearing Skims?
Why would you? What's wrong with you wearing? I like, now this, I like, they like a sexy daddy.
Look at this.
Oh, we going to Aspen. Babe, we going to Aspen?
This me.
Are we going to Aspen?
This me buying us
Yes.
a Sherpa joint mean we're going to Aspen?
Yes. We're going to Aspen. Yeah, I would show his butt, but I'm going to be respectful.
Respectful to who, nigga?
I'm going to be respectful to him. But can I try it on right now, please? And y'all can see who wore it better. Oh, that's nice. Can I wear it?
Yeah.
Let me try it on.
I'm telling you, I be
Can I try it
buying some
on?
shit. I be buying some shit.
Can I try it on? And we can see who wore it better?
Me? It's meant for a man, so it's not gonna.
I didn't tell you, did I?
What?
Because I already know, like, you're going to end up giving it to me.
No, I'll buy you one.
No, I want yours. Okay, what y'all think? What y'all think? Who wore better?
Hey, it could look a little big on you.
I think it fits me good. I think I should have it.
Maybe like a medium small.
Do you guys like it?
See, girlfriend, wife, still in clothes. Yep. Been there. I'm guilty of that.
You like it?
You like it. That's why you're saying like that. No, you like it on me. You want me to have it. What y'all think? I stole his whole order. He did this for me instead. Clarence. I really like this a lot. Let me tell y'all something about Clarence. He buys stuff.
These are the Bottega boots.
He won't wear those maybe for 7 more years.
No.
He hasn't even wore the orange Louis Vuitton sweater I got him.
I'm bringing these back. I don't like the color.
Yeah, you about to go boating.
Nah, these is hard.
Fishing.
You don't like these?
Nah, I wouldn't wear them, but they look nice on you. All right, y'all. I'm gonna actually end this vlog out. There's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to see here. There's nothing else, you know, so I'm going to go to sleep in Clarence, well, my new outfit. And thanks, babe. Thank you for this outfit. This outfit. No, I like this one. I like this one because I feel like you bought it for you and you sacrificing it for me. So don't buy another one. Huh? No, I like this one. I want it because you had it on. What y'all think? Should he give it to me or not? What y'all think? Put it in the comments below. All right, y'all. Good night and peace out. Babe, tell them good night. They want to see your beautiful face. They can't see you. Gotta come closer and say it.
They do see me.
They cannot see you, babe. Right now, like an action figure. Look, I can pick you up.
Love y'all, B. See y'all next time. You got ankle socks on?
Yeah. Do a little twirl for me.
A what?
Nothing.
Yeah, watch.
Thank you, babe. Ooh.
Watch.
I was like,